morning, students of class 5A. In this video class of mathematics, we are going to solve exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Find the following. 15% of 300. So at first, for the omission of this percent, I wrote here 15 by 100. Of means the sign of multiplication into 300. So this double zero cancelled. 15 into 3 equal to 45. Question number C. 16 and 2 by 3% of 30. This is a mixed fraction. At first I change it into improper fraction. 16 is of 48 plus 2, 50 by 3% of 30. Now for the omission of this percent, I wrote here 100 and of means into multiplication, that is 30 I wrote here. Now this 1 0 cancelled, 5 to the 10. Then 3 10s are 30 and 2 5s are 10. So that answer became 5. Now question number E, 6.4% of 600. I wrote as for the omission of percent, I wrote 6.4 by 100 of means into 600. Now for the omission of this decimal, I wrote 64 by 100. It is followed same, but for the omission of decimal, I wrote here 10 because one digit is before decimal, so for that 10 will come with 1 into 600. Now this double zero and this double zero cancelled. We have 64 into 6 by 10. I multiplied this 2. I got 384 by this 10. Since 10 is coming, so decimal will come after one digit counting from right hand side. If you see first digit from right hand side, that is 4. So decimal will come after 4. Answer became 38.4. Question number F. In this question again you have this mixed fraction 2 and 1 by 2% of 120. I change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2% of 120. Then for the omission of this percent, I wrote here 100. It became 5 by 2 into 100 of means into 120. Now 1 0 and this 1 0 cancelled. 5 2 is 10, this 5 and this 10. 5 2 is 10, 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 6. So answer became 3. Question number H. 8% of 70. I wrote it as 8 by 100. This 100 is coming from the omission of this percent. Of each change into multiplication, and this 70 I wrote here. So it became 8 by 100 into 70. Now this 10 and 10 cancelled. It is 8 into 7 by 10. 56 by 10. It became 5.6. 11 by 100. This is 11% of 200. For the omission of percent, I shall write here 11 by 100. This of means into, and this is 200. Now this double zero cancelled. 11 into 2, that is equal to 22. Question number 2. Find the value of the following. A. 35% of rupees 90. For the omission of this percent, I wrote 35 by 100 of exchange into, and this rupees 90 is here. 10 and 10 cancelled. Then we have 35 into 9 by 10. 35 into 9 equal to 315 by 10. So for this 10, you keep one decimal after one digit. You keep decimal after one digit counting from right hand side. You count from right hand side, take first digit, keep decimal after this. And the first digit here is coming 5. After 5 you keep decimal, answer became 31.5. Now question number C, 25% of 400 kg. So this for the omission of this percent, I wrote 100 of each into multiplication and 400 kg I wrote here. Now this double zero of 100 and double zero of 400 is cancelled. Now you have 25 into 4 kg. You multiply this, you will get 100 kg. Question number E, 6% of 1 liter. 1 liter is changed into milliliter, became 1000 milliliter. So I wrote 6 by 100 into 1000 milliliter. This double zero of 100 and double zero of 1000 cancel. 1 0 is left, is 10. 6 into 10 equal to 60 milliliter became the answer. Question number 3 states that Anushka spent 60% of her money on books. Find the amount she spent if she had rupees 300 with her. The first statement I wrote here, money is spent on the book equal to 60%. That is given in the percentage. Then total money with Anushka or with her equal to rupees 300. So money is spent on the book by Anushka equal to 60% of 300. So for the omission of this percent, I wrote here 100 of each and the symbol of multiplication and rupees 300 came here. So double zero of 100 and double zero of 300 cancel. Now rupees 60 into 3 equal to rupees 180. So money is spent on book by Anushka equal to rupees 180. Question number 5. Question states that Raj went shopping with his parents. He purchased the following items. On each item, there is 20% discount on MRP. Calculate the total discount he got. Those articles are watch, belt, cricket bat, pack of pencils, and spectacles. Discount is 20% fixed for each item. So discount on watch equal to 20% of the cost of the watch, that is 200, 20% of rupees 200. For the omission of this percent, I wrote here 120 by 100 into 200. So this double zero and double zero cancel. 20 into 2 equal to rupees 40. Now discount on cricket bat equal to 20% of rupees 760. 20 by 100 into 760. This 0 cancel and 1 0 of 20, 1 0 this cancel. 2 into 76, that is equal to rupees 150. So discount upon cricket bat equal to rupees 150. Now come to discount on pencils. Rupees 20% of rupees 50. Rupees 50 is the cost of the pencil pack. Now 20 by 100 into rupees 50. This 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. 2 into 5 equal to 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Now discount on spectacles equal to 20% of 100. So 20 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel, 20 is left, rupees 20 is the discount. So at this place we write here 10. Total discount equal to rupees 40 plus rupees 150 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 20. So here this will be 220. You add all these 0, 0, 2, 0 became 2. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. So total discount became rupees 222.